Folks, today's episode is neck stuff. We're gonna get this thing all pretty and we're gonna do something a little different. Stand by. All right, on to step 2. All right, now it's time for a little snip the tip. Son of a bitch. Well, it's closer. Still got more work to do, and I need to re-glue this. Be right back. Well, son of a bitch. I got holes. Cool. Well, I can't help but feel like I'm about to make a very, very serious mistake. But I think we're going to be okay. The top template's coming off. I was just using that to help align this jig and everything else. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Have mercy on my soul. All right. Time for my least favorite thing to do. Just gonna check everything, looks secure enough. Make sure our depth stop is set. And so we're gonna go down 1/4 inch. Okay, that's where we're going to make our first cut depth. Bitch. Well, not bad looking so far. See how we're doing. I should probably back that up just a little bit. Still not as deep as I'd like to be. But let's double check. .31. Around the money. Okay, so this part goes down a little bit more. So let's see here. 0.37. And then this part, 0.41. Okay. So how are we going to address this? Test fit. Almost. Let's give this bitch a little bit of love. So we're just about good on our truss rod route. Let's see. Still just a little sketchy there at the heel, but I think I'm going to correct that manually. Or will we? That should give us what we're looking for. Almost. Almost. All right, I think we're just about in business to glue on a fretboard. We did it, boys. We made a neck. Well, people, if you were ever on the fence about this unicorn spunk stuff, take a gander at what I've been working on. This is just a test, you know? Get myself used to doing things. Just look. Isn't that the coolest? Thinking about taking it back a little bit more. All right, everyone. It looks like we are just about at the end of my footage. I just want to put a reminder out there to everyone to like and subscribe. That helps this channel grow, and it helps keep me building guitars. So everybody, have a great day. Like and subscribe. Drive slow. Drink milk.